Are you interested in leading a healthier lifestyle? Have you considered switching to a plant-based diet? Well, you're in luck because today, we're going to explore the benefits and advantages of a plant-based diet. First and foremost, a plant-based diet is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. By eliminating animal products, you not only reduce your intake of saturated fats but also decrease your risk of heart disease. Plant-based diets have been associated with a lower incidence of chronic illnesses such as type 2 diabetes and certain types of cancer. Not only that, but they also promote healthy weight loss and weight management. Additionally, plant-based diets are great for the environment as they require fewer resources and produce fewer greenhouse gas emissions. Switching to a plant-based diet can be overwhelming at first, but fear not, I'm here to guide you through it. The first step is to gradually introduce more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes into your meals. Experiment with different plant-based protein sources like tofu, tempeh, and seitan to find what works best for you. Focus on variety and colorful meals to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Make sure to read labels carefully and avoid foods with hidden animal products such as dairy, eggs, and honey. Planning ahead and meal prepping can make transitioning to a plant-based diet a lot easier. Explore new recipes and try different cooking methods to keep things interesting. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with spices and herbs to enhance the flavor of your plant-based meals. Remember, a plant-based diet doesn't mean you have to give up your favorite foods completely. You can still enjoy treats and indulgences, just opt for healthier plant-based alternatives. Be patient with yourself and give your taste buds time to adjust to new flavors and textures. Don't forget to stay hydrated and incorporate plenty of water-rich fruits and vegetables into your diet. It's also important to ensure you're getting enough nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin B12. Consider consulting a registered dietitian or nutritionist to help you plan a well-balanced plant-based diet. And finally, surround yourself with a supportive community, either online or in person, to share your journey and get inspired. So, if you're ready to improve your health, reduce your environmental footprint, and embrace a plant-based lifestyle, start today. Remember, every small step counts, and you have the power to make a positive change.